Hello, this is Joe Gravelin, Gravelin's American Martial Arts, Brooklyn, Connecticut. It's January 26th. It's a Monday, January 26th, 2015 at 10:30 a.m. in the morning. As you can see, it is snowing in Brooklyn, Connecticut. We will be chronicling Blizzard Colbie as it just has started to snow in Brooklyn, Connecticut. Again, any snow that you see on the ground here was from a winter storm blade that just went through here in Connecticut a few days ago. You can see with the last storm blade, we got more snow than what people really think that we got. Okay? Again, this is on the 26th, and this is residual what you're saying, although you can see it's snowing right now. Getting ready, we're going to be covering this storm from beginning to end. You'll see just how much Brooklyn, Connecticut changes in 2.5, 3 feet of snow. Again, some landmarks that you can look at. That's the window going into Gravelin's American Martial Arts in the door. The parking lot where we park when they come to train. And the antique store that's next door. Brooklyn Town Hall is right there. In the intersection that you see is the junctions of Route 6 and 169 in Brooklyn, Connecticut. Is looking in the direction up north, 169 north. This is 169 south. And again, the snow that you're seeing now is residual from Storm Blake that came through last week. And once again, Gravelin's American Martial Arts is located at 12 Providence Road, Brooklyn, Connecticut. 06234-860-753-1402. It's the contact information you need. Just take and monitor and chronicle Storm Colbie. This is looking down Route 6 east from 12 Providence Road in Brooklyn, Connecticut. And this is looking at Route 6 west from 12 Providence Road, Brooklyn, Connecticut. Again, it is January 26th, 2015, on a Monday at approximately 10:45 a.m. The snow is coming down in Brooklyn, Connecticut, people. Okay, again, it's Monday, January 22nd. It's 3:45 in the afternoon. And guess what? I would think it would be safe to say that Winter Storm Colbie in the 2015 Blizzard has arrived. Again, this is what we're looking at 3:45 on January 26, 2015. That's on a Monday. Quite the difference between earlier this morning. Exactly what I was avoiding today. I did not want to have to commute home in this part right here. Again, it's Monday. The Blizzard of 2015 is here. In Connecticut weather, we are calling it Storm Colbie. I'm going to refer to it as a 2015, the Blizzard of 2015, because to me, it has the same feeling of 1978 out here, people. The feeling that I have says 1978, and that means about 3 feet of snow. This is facing on Route 169 facing north. This is Route 169 facing south. Again, and it is 3:45 on January 26th, Monday, January 26th, 2015. And this is Route 6 facing east. And this is Route 6 facing west, and it's 3:45. January 26, 2015. Winter Storm Colbie has arrived, or I'm going to be referring to it as the Blizzard of 2015. Feels just like it did in 1978. And it is Monday the 26th at about 6:30 p.m. January 26th. Blizzard Colbie, the blizzard of 2015, is upon us. I would say in the last 2 hours, probably 1.5 inches of snow has fallen. Maybe a little bit more now that I look at it. This one's going to be a big one, people. Alright, it's Tuesday, January 27th, so I'm went to Blizzard Colbie 2015 on Tuesday the 27th of January. As you probably can see, or maybe you cannot see, in Brooklyn, Connecticut, there is at least 2 feet of snow, and there's no sign of it letting up. Clean it up as fast as you can, as much as you can, and then ride it out for a cleanup tomorrow. Again, January 27th, that's Tuesday. Went to the second day of the 2015 blizzard, the storm that the Connecticut is calling Colbie. The snow is coming down sideways, and there's no sight of it letting up at all. And it is 8 o'clock in the morning on January 27th. Well, it's around 8:30, 8:45 on January 27th. That would be Tuesday. And storm went to Blizzard Colbie 2015 blizzard is here. It's been snowing for like, I want to say 17 hours. And it's looking like we got 2 feet of snow so far. You can see where I did some snow plowing. I did some snow throwing right down here just to get to the karate school, because karate school entryway's down at the bottom of the hill there. In relationship to the cars, the drifts are the problem, no doubt about it. It's about the drifts. Here we go, looking down Route 6 East and looking down Route 6 West. This would be looking down 169 South. And this would be looking down 169 North. So we're in the grips of 2015 blizzard that Connecticut's calling Colbie. And again, it's like 8:15, 8:30 on Tuesday, January 27th. That would be in the AM, 8:30, 8:15 AM on January 27th, 2015. Storm Colbie is upon us. Let's say Blizzard Storm Colbie. Alrighty. It is the blizzard of 2015 here in Brooklyn, Connecticut. It is Tuesday, January 27th. Storm Blizzard Colbie has hit. As you can see, drifting is the problem, especially in between the 2 buildings. But as you can also see, it is 2:45 in the afternoon, and it is still snowing here in Brooklyn, Connecticut, and it's still coming down pretty hard. Hi everyone, this is Blizzard 2015, the one they're calling Colbie. It is 4:20 in the afternoon, January 27th on a Tuesday, and it's still snowing here in Brooklyn, Connecticut. This is the aftermath. We did the best that we could to get our parking lot cleaned up. Seeing that our snow removal man texted me and said that his truck had broken. So this is what we're left with. We have enough to continue business as usual. Enough room to continue business as usual on Thursday evening. We can resume karate classes. this is the aftermath. This is what it's looking like here. Again, you can see the problem where we have no room to put our snow. That's the problem. But this is the aftermath of the blizzard of 2015 that Connecticut is calling Colbie. Again, you can see what we're dealing with. Snow drifts 3-4 feet. It's slow but surely digging out. The snow is tapering down, but it is. It's January 27th. That's Tuesday, and it's 4:20, and it's still snowing in Brooklyn, Connecticut. This is looking down 169 south at the corner of Route 6 and Route 169. This is a look at Route 169 northbound. This is Route 6 eastbound from 12 Providence Road, Gravelins American Martial Arts, Brooklyn, Connecticut. And this is Route 6 westbound from Gravelins American Martial Arts at 12 Providence Road, Brooklyn, Connecticut 06234 860-753-1402.